How to track your steps using the Pacer application or the website here on your mobile phone or your PC. For this, you just need to follow some of the steps I'm going to tell you in this video. Now, just follow this video till the end to do this thing on your mobile phone. How do you use a Pacer? The objective of the Pacer is to run as long as possible while keeping a specified pace. Students run back and forth across a 20-meter space at a pace that gets faster each minute. So a point is scared for each 20-meter distance covered. The test is easier in the beginning, but progressive gets more of it. So this is how you can add step to the Pacer. They realize that you may not always be able to bring your phone with you, but you can manually add your steps into your Pacer application so you can keep up your own records of walking and other activities. It's also easy to delete manually added steps if you have made a mistake or entered them error. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching.